President Barack Obama has signed a one-year extension of several provisions of the controversial counterterrorism statute, the USA PATRIOT Act. Provisions in the measure would have expired this past week without Obama's signature. The act, which was adopted in the weeks after the events of September 11, 2001, expands the government's ability to spy on Americans in the name of national security. 3 sections of the Patriot Act that stay in force will authorize court-approved roving wiretaps that permit surveillance on multiple phones, will allow court-approved seizure of records and property in anti-terrorism operations, and will permit surveillance against a so-called lone wolf, a non-U.S. citizen engaged in terrorism who may not be part of a recognized terrorist group. Obama's signature comes after the House voted 315 to 97 to extend the measure. The Senate also approved the measure, with privacy protections cast aside when Senate Democrats lacked the necessary 60-vote supermajority to pass them. Thrown away were restrictions and greater scrutiny on the government's authority to spy on Americans and seize their records. The bill with privacy protections had been approved in the Senate Judiciary Committee by a bipartisan majority, but that bill could not survive an expected Republican filibuster. The ACLU's Lauren Murphy said, quote, "Once again, we have missed an opportunity to put the proper civil liberties and privacy protections into this bill. Congress should respect the rule of law and should have taken this opportunity to better protect the privacy and freedom of innocent Americans. We shouldn't have to live under these unconstitutional provisions for another year."